Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna be making lamb suya. Okay, so I have the lamb leg over here. So this is boneless lamb leg I got from Costco. Okay, you can always find lamb leg from Costco or any of your local grocery store. I have suya spice here. This one I got from Nigeria. You can also find it in your African store if you don't have the one from Nigeria. I have iodized salt here. I have nor cube, and I also have canola oil, which I'm going to be using to grill the suya. Okay guys, so if you are interested in seeing how I make my lamb suya, guys, keep watching. Alright guys, this is the next day. Okay guys, so my lamb is here. That's marinated overnight. Okay, for the marination guys, I use suya spice, of course. I use one nut cube. I added a little bit of onion powder to it. Also I added ginger powder, thyme, okay, and I also added oil. So I use canola oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil you like. I mix it together, cover it up with a foil, okay, and put it in the fridge overnight. So here we are guys. You know, for lamb or ram suya, you don't have to put it on the skewer. That's the stick you use to roast the meat. But this one I'm gonna be grilling it on the pan over here. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the stove now and let my grill get hot, then we can get started. Okay, so guys, here is the grill. All right, so if you have this kind of stove like me that has the area for you to grill, you know, this always comes with the stove. Okay, so and this is the purpose of this is for grilling. So we're just gonna go ahead and heat up the grill now and let it get hot, then I can start grilling. So while the grill is getting hot guys, I have two plum tomato here and the medium size onion. I'm gonna start slicing them so I can use them for garnishing. I also have oil here which I'm gonna be using, this canola oil. Okay, and of course I have here my suya spice. Okay, so once it's hot now, I'm gonna put the lamb on it and start to grill. So our grill is hot now guys. It really does not take much of a time to get hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some oil on the grill, just a little bit of oil guys. Okay, so that's it there. Then I'm gonna start putting the lamb. So make sure you don't overcrowd it. Okay, so So one thing guys, I didn't remember to tell you, when you're slicing the ram, you know, when you are prepping your meat, make sure you slice it very thin. You want it to be as thin as possible, okay, before you go ahead and do your marinating and all that. Okay, make sure your meat is very very thin. Okay guys, that was one point I didn't remember to tell you. Okay, so we'll keep grilling, and if it's cooked in one side, you flip it over to the other side. Okay guys, so I'm just going to start flipping it over. It smells so nice, so delicious. Ooh. I wish you guys can smell it. Okay, after flipping everything on the other side, okay, if you have a foil thing, that's good, or you just have something just to cover it. Okay, so you cover it, so let it heat up and cook some more, okay, to make it soft. All right guys, so guys, let's check it now. Okay, put it at the side. You see how the color have changed. Okay, so you continue to stir it around. And now we can even taste. We can taste it to see how soft the meat is. Okay, let me put those ones aside for the tasting. So when you taste and the meat is soft enough, then you can take it out. Okay, okay guys, I tasted it and I think it's soft enough, so I'm just going to take it out. All right, see the way it looks. It's looking delicious. Okay, so I'm just going to scrape all of this off, then I'll put the next batch. So guys, I'm doing the next batch now. So I'm just going to continue doing this until all the meat is cooked. Guys, I think we are finally done. Ready, it's ready, it's ready. Our lamb suya is ready guys. So I'm just going to take this one off, and that will be it for the lamb suya. It's ready, it's ready, it's ready. So guys, this is the finished product. You know how we do it guys. We use tomatoes and onions to garnish it, and also additional suya pepper. Okay, so guys, give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, share with your friends, and also if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Till I see you in my next video guys, take care now. Bye bye.